Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Desiree and I am a wig maker from Atlanta. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hello everybody, this is Desiree House of Beauty. Thank you for watching. I am about to create a Upart wig for my customer. She's using 3 bundles of 100% Brazilian hair. I'm going to braid her hair down in a circle braid, as you can see. And I'm going to create the custom unit on her head so that she gets a exact fit. So you guys stay tuned and be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to this video. Also, if you would like to get a unit made for yourself or someone else, please give me a call at 404-914-7303. Again, 404-914-7303. Okay, thank you guys for watching and have a terrific day. I just got finished with the Upart wig that I did for my customer. As you can see, that's the inside. This will be sewn on. This is the inside of the cap. Flips in like this. But yeah, so it's the inside of it. Handmade, guys. And so at this point, I'm done with the Upart wig. Yes. So going in, cleaning it up. I'm about to do the install on the custom wig. Just cleaning off the. It says custom, don't you? So she's holding it for me, and. Yep, so this is how it looks when it's cut. And cut. We'll be back to show you guys the body. Hey everybody, I am finished. So, a few more steps. We got to, well, we got to get them edges together though. This is how the Upart wig turned out, y'all. It's really good. Gonna straighten them down. Love the hair is so soft, y'all. Oh, and no, I haven't noticed any shit. Thanks for watching. Bye. With Upart wig, as you can see, my customer can pull this up. She can pull this up Very, very natural looking. Again, this lasts 6 months to a year. This is custom made to her head. And yeah, she can just really, really have fun with it. Yeah. She put it up. Okay, you guys, pay very close attention to this part right here, because this is 5 weeks later. She calls me over. I go and I do a home visit, and this is 5 weeks later, and her hair still looks flawless. So we throw some quick little curls in it because it was raining that day. And yeah, so she just wanted to, spice it up a little bit. And so this is how it turned out 5 weeks later, you guys, with the Upart wig. Also keep in mind that I also make, not only do I make the Upart wigs, I also make full closures and lace frontal wigs. So be sure to hit me up on that. Again, please like my video. Please share my video so that I can, create my brand wigs. Once again, thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day. Hey, you guys, you can also follow me on Instagram at Desiree House of Beauty, and you may follow me on Facebook at Desiree Hunter.